Is the hide activity in friends feed settings not working on the Instagram app? If your activity is still visible to others, the privacy settings isn't saving, or you can't find the option, it can affect your privacy while using Instagram. In this video, I will show you how to fix hide activity in friends feed on Instagram app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Instagram. As you see, you will tap on Instagram app. Then here in this page, you will go to the sign of profile and you will enter. Then we click on this sign on above of 3 lines. Here in this page, what you will find is this window of privacy. Here. You will find settings and privacy and you will click on friends feed. As you see here, activity in friends feed, and then you will click on no one. So please don't forget